Hello guys, here's another quick video that I'm going to get this fixed right quick. A dishwasher. I don't think it matters the brand, but so basically I'm gonna show you guys what's wrong with this. I came to find out these, I don't know if you see that. See how loose it is on both sides. So, show you guys real quick how to get this done. It's an easy fix, pretty much. See all these screws here? They're not regular screws. There are the hex screws. So in order to get that, I have a little tool here. Like you can see, that's the one you need. Better image, see if you can see it. See, all you gotta do, there's 1, 2, these 3 on this side. They're pretty loose. Sounds like this one too. Might as well all of them, you know, just go all the way around. See, all of them are tight. These are pretty tight. You can tell the bottom part that was pretty much very loose. See, and this side, it sounds like, oh yeah, look at that. See, look at the screws are coming off pretty much. Let's start on this one here. Okay. There's a little snot there. This one too. And this here. Get out there neatly. Okay, this one. Got one more to go. There you go. No more rattling. Let's see. About down. Doesn't make that sound anymore. Pretty easy. It's an easy fix. Don't think because it was loose, it was time to be changed, things like that. You know, it's a quick fix. As you guys see.